Are you answering the same legal questions over and over? What if those repetitive questions could become your most powerful client attraction tool? I'm Stacey Ivel from IFTS, and I've helped law firms transform common questions into client-generating content that works 24/7. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to identify, structure, and leverage the legal FAQs that your ideal clients are actually searching for, not what your competitors think they're searching for. Most law firms make 3 critical mistakes with their FAQ content. First, they answer questions that are too technical. Second, they use legal language and jargon that confuses potential clients. And third, the biggest mistake, they fail to create an emotional connection. This can lead to a consultation request. In my experience, working with law firms on their content marketing, I've consistently seen how well-crafted FAQ content outperforms other types of marketing. Attorneys who implement strategic FAQ systems typically report higher engagement from potential clients and better conversion rates compared to their previous approaches. The reason's simple. You're directly addressing the exact questions potential clients have when they're considering hiring an attorney. Now, let's talk about the secret that I call the FAQ formula. Begin with identifying high intent questions, the ones people are searching for on Google. Next, craft answers that demonstrate your expertise while speaking to the client's emotional needs. Last, post the content across multiple channels like your website, Meta, LinkedIn, and YouTube, where it continues generating leads with virtually no ongoing effort. Before I break this down further, you can get my free guide with 60 high-converting FAQ templates for lawyers. These templates cover the most effective questions across multiple practice areas and include the exact formula for structuring answers that convert. Just click on the link in the description below. Now, let's get into specifics. First, identifying high-intent questions. These aren't general legal questions. They're specific questions that signal someone is evaluating their options. For example, instead of "what is personal injury law?" a high-intent question might be, "how much is my car accident case worth?" Or, "should I accept the insurance company's first offer?" These questions indicate someone is in the decision phase, not just gathering information. Next, structure your answer correctly. The perfect legal FAQ response follows a simple formula with 3 E's: empathy, education, example, and then add your call to action at the end. Start by acknowledging the emotion behind the question. Then, provide clear, valuable information that showcases your expertise, and then follow with a brief anonymous case example that demonstrates your success with similar situations. And finally, offer a specific next step that feels helpful and not pushy. For the question, "how long will my divorce take in Pennsylvania?" a weak answer would be, "divorces typically take 6 to 12 months depending on complexity." But a high converting answer would be, "I understand the uncertainty around divorce timelines can be stressful. You're likely trying to plan your future while everything feels on hold. In Pennsylvania, uncontested divorces typically take 3 to 6 months, while contested divorces can extend to 12 to 18 months. The biggest factors affecting your timeline will be asset complexity, custody arrangements, and the level of cooperation between the 2 parties. For example, we recently helped a client with a moderately complex divorce complete the process in just 4 months by using our strategic mediation approach, saving them thousands in potential litigation costs. If you'd like a more specific timeline estimate for your situation, our divorce timeline assessment can help clarify your path forward. See the difference? Finally, posting. Your FAQ content should exist in multiple formats. The written version lives on your website for SEO benefits. The video version lives on YouTube or Rumble, like what we're doing right now. It builds trust and connection, and snippets can be repurposed across social media, email sequences, and your Google Business profile. This multi-channel approach ensures your expertise reaches potential clients wherever they're looking. We have multiple clients who have seen their conversion rate go up due to enhancing their FAQs and putting them on video. Now you might be thinking, I don't have time to create all this content. That's exactly why most lawyers aren't doing this effectively, and precisely why it represents such an opportunity for those who do. The good news is there's a system for streamlining this entire process. To help you get started, you can grab that 60 high converting FAQ template document in the description below. They cover multiple areas of practice and formulas for your answers. Just click that link. And if you'd like to learn how we can implement a complete FAQ system for your firm with less than 2 hours of your time per quarter, schedule a strategy call using the calendar link below. This is Stacey Ivel from IFTS, helping law firms attract an additional 4 to 8 new clients per month through strategic video and content marketing. Subscribe for more practical marketing strategies, and check out this next video on lawyer video marketing strategies.